Welcome to part 2 video. Today I wanted to show you how to import, uh, how to export notice. I mean, if you have got Pages application and you want to import all of your notes what you made in the past, I will show you. But let application to load this. I think I have to get back to you in a minute because sometimes this takes a while for iPhone to load the information, because I will show you how to make a backup of application pages if you have uh, text files and notes. You made the notes. Oh, actually, I can show you right now. Okay, okay, we have got notice. Like, that shouldn't really have what is local? I have to show you what I meant by going to information tab, because I have application pages. In this application I have notes where I made lots of notes. I have notes. For example, I will type something in my iPhone. I wonder if I can scale export all of my notes which I created on my iPhone, because sometimes it is important to make backup of your notes. Okay, what is this? Oh, we have something here. Okay, no, it's not what I wanted. Messages. Okay, what is this? Contacts. I try to find something important. I wonder what happened to notice, because I supposed to have information included here. Toolbox. We also have toolbox. Audio conversion. Rings. Very interesting is rings tone maker. If you like one of your favorite music, you can convert it to ringtone. I will try to import um, one music of the Hillsong album. Maybe this. Okay. Save to compare. Your rings can could be as long as possible. What is this? Import to device, or you can save to computer. It's up to you. Custom ringtones. Okay, what next? The import to device. Okay, actually, could select computer. Could actually do that right now. What extension of the file is M M4R. And after importing, you should see when you go, for example, when you go to alarms, you should see ringtones. When you want to select one of your music, let me to check. Towards you. Okay, I already imported, and I was setting up a new ringtone alarm clock, which will wake me up 4 o'clock in the morning, 4:30. And you can import and convert. Uh, you can also convert what we got here. Oh, this is interesting. I have never used it. It's audio conversion. Oh wow, we also have this wonderful. Black is lossless. I wonder how good that format is. I would like to check something. Now, I will have to open up catalog. I would like to check what sound quality is like after conversion. Another album. Maybe this. Okay, let's check. I would like to convert to this format because my cousin from Poland, he said that he can he said that this is uh high quality. Also, hmm, okay, I don't know if this will be if I will be able to import. Okay, change. Okay, I have to be organized. I know exactly what I do. Convert. I don't know if this came up on my phone. I will have to double check. Mm, Probably default player will be able to see this file. Okay, what title of this is? What title is this? Oh, I probably imported. I probably imported. I have to check. Okay, I have to check people because I can't see if this is if I save the disk to FLAC format. Now you have to probably install application on your phone, iPhone, which will be able to play this format. But I can double check if I have already on my phone. How will say media player will do that? I will have to go to my phone. Give me a few seconds because I will have to install VLC media layer. That and program should open up Slack files. Okay, I quickly found. Hopefully, this will be able to import uh, proper files. Okay, after that, I should see application. I don't know if I'm supposed to refresh. After that, I will be able to see application which I have already installed. People. Okay, I will try to import a FLAC file. I'm very interested in all this actually works. But I have to let you know if I was successful or no. This is crazy. This is crazy how big that file is. Okay, I was able to import people. You will have much higher quality inside your phone after conversion to that format. I hope you like my tutorials. I gave to you plenty of information, but the only one issue I had, I couldn't I couldn't export notes. I don't know why. I will check local. What is local? Notice in the past I was able to export and recover notice. Okay, into inbox I probably didn't talk about this. I wouldn't do backup because this doesn't. Oh, I have. I probably didn't use this. Oh, I'm getting tired now. I have to go to sleep. I hope you like my video tutorial. This is part 2.